Okay, today we're gonna unclog the kids' bathtub drain. Today I got Paisley as my helper. All right, let's go. All right, let's just unscrew this. Some don't unscrew, some of us head screw, but you can just unscrew that. Give it a yank. All right, down there. You get your plastic bag. Get your needle nose pliers out. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
Looks pretty gross, huh?
Yeah.
Ugh. What is that?
That's a string. No.
That looks like a hair tie.
It's your hair, your sister's hair, or both your sister's hair. Look at that.
Now we're gonna dump some baking soda in there. You wanna dump that in there?
Sure. All of it? All of it, Dad?
Yep.
All of it, all of it?
Yeah. Let's get it all in the hole.
Try to. Let's go with the water next. That's good, Colin.
Okay. Pour this down there. Vinegar. Clean out that pea trap. It's called a pea trap.
Wow. Then we'll go add some water. That's what the guy
Yeah.
did.
Turn the hot water on.
Hot? What?
Yeah. All the way.